Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the new chapter Continents and Oceans. Continents are vast landmasses located in between the oceans. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. Which are the 7 continents? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Let us examine the features of the continent one by one. Asia. Asia is the largest continent. It is located to the north of the Indian Ocean. It is the world's most populated continent. India is a part of this continent. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is situated here. Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. The continent has regions that enjoy diverse climatic features like heavy rainfall, low rainfall, snowfall, extreme heat, moderate heat and cold. Which are the crops cultivated in this continent? Crops like paddy, wheat and maize are cultivated in this continent. And Asia is the largest producer of paddy in the world. This is the highest mountain range in the world? Himalaya. Himalayas are the world's highest mountain range. Which is the next continent? Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. It is located between the Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. It stands second in population. Most of the regions are desert. So, agriculture is sparse. And which is the world's largest desert? Sahara. Sahara Desert is located in Africa. And the Nile. Nile is the world's longest river that flows through the African continent. Dense forests with the world's richest animal diversity exists in this continent. Asia is the largest continent and Africa is the second largest continent. And which is the next continent? North America. North America located between the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. It stands third in size. Mount McKinley in the Alaska mountain range is the highest peak. The 5 Great Lakes, which together hold 21% of the world's available freshwater, are located here. Which are the 5 Great Lakes? The Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario located in Canada and the United States of America are collectively known as the 5 Great Lakes of North America. The Inuits living in snow-covered region are a special feature of this continent. The Inuits is also known as Eskimos. The climate and soil are suitable for agriculture. It is the world's largest producer of wheat. Asia is the largest continent. Africa, North America. Then South America. It is located between the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. South America is located between the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. It stands fourth in size. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak. River Amazon with the largest share of fresh water flows through this continent. The dense forest of the Amazon River basin situated to the north of South America are rich in diverse plant and animal life. Cattle rearing is an important occupation of the people. In South America, which is their main occupation, cattle rearing is an important occupation of the people. Piranha is a type of fish found in the river Amazon. They have extremely sharp teeth with which they ferociously attack other fishes and animals and finish them off within seconds. Tapioca, the favorite food of Keralites, originated in South America. Many of our agricultural crops have come from South America. What is continents? Continents are vast landmasses located in between the ocean. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Asia is the largest continent. And which is the second largest continent? Africa. Which is the world's largest desert? Sahara. Which is the world's longest river? Nile River. And the Nile River is known as International River because Nile flows through 11 countries. North America stands third in size, which are the 5 great lakes: Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario, located in Canada and the United States of America, are collectively known as the 5 Great Lakes of North America. And the Inuits, otherwise what we can call them Eskimos, living in snow-covered region, are a special feature of North American continent. The Inuits living in the frozen regions of the North Pole make temporary houses with blocks of ice. These are known as igloos. What is igloos? The Inuits make temporary houses with blocks of ice. These are known as igloos.